Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring what many consider the best yellow basket for gifts. The comfy HOMI small woven basket with handles, gift bags, and ribbons. If you're looking for a stylish, durable, and versatile storage option that also doubles as a charming gift basket, this might be exactly what you need. This basket measures 12 inches by 8 inches by 5 inches, making it compact enough to fit on shelves or counters but spacious enough to hold a variety of items. Whether you want to organize baby toys, dog toys, blankets, or bathroom essentials, this basket offers a neat and attractive solution. It's crafted from 100% natural cotton rope, ensuring it's both eco-friendly and safe for babies and pets alike. The cotton material is soft, chemical-free, and scratch-resistant, which means you won't have to worry about sharp edges or harsh materials harming your loved ones or damaging your floors. One of the standout features of this basket is its design, which includes built-in handles. These handles make carrying the basket around incredibly easy, whether you're moving it from room to room or taking it along for a picnic or playdate. Despite being lightweight, the basket's sturdy weave holds its shape well and provides enough strength for daily use. Another great advantage of the comfy HOMI basket is its collapsible nature. When not in use, you can flatten it for easy storage, which is especially helpful if you're tight on space or want to keep extras on hand without clutter. Once you're ready to use it again, it quickly pops back into shape, ready to hold your items and add a farmhouse chic accent to your home decor. The basket also comes with stylish gift bags and ribbons included, which means you don't need to buy any extras to make your gift presentation look polished and thoughtful. This makes it perfect for occasions like birthdays, baby showers, Mother's Day, or Christmas. You simply fill the basket with toys, treats, or other goodies, add the included ribbon, and your gift is ready to delight. Because it is made with natural materials and designed to be baby safe, this basket is perfect for use in nurseries or playrooms. It keeps the space tidy while ensuring that everything stays within easy reach for your little ones. Plus, pet owners will appreciate it as a handy and stylish dog toy basket, giving your furry friends easy access to their favorite playthings. A quick note on the packaging: the basket arrives folded, so you might notice some creases when you first open it. The best way to get it back into its perfect shape is to fill it with items for a couple of days or lightly iron it if you want a quicker fix. Overall, the comfy HOMI small woven basket is a fantastic blend of function, style, and eco-conscious design. It fits seamlessly into any room, whether it's a nursery, living room, or kitchen, and it elevates your storage game while doubling as a beautiful gift basket. If you want a durable, versatile, and charming basket in a bright yellow color that will last and look great, this is the one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you in the next video.